I don't know either some of you would like to work as. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time, I don't know what is my problem of this week. I have make 3 continuous video by English. So today, if you look my background, you can see all this one is a dryer, and this one is a dryer, and this one is washing, and this one is washing, and this one washing. So if you are interested to work as a launderer, you have to learn by Google Net to see different types of launderer they have machine. You can see what I'm wearing is like all this thing. You have to fold it in proper way, like this one, and all the pillow you have to put it in this way, and you have your towels, which you have to be organized, everything in this way, you see. And so the person who is working here have to be 2 people all the time, and all this thing that you see also is belong to the housekeepers. So for you that working here in housekeeping, your job is all this guests, when they come, they must use this one after showering, and they will use the towel. And housekeeping, you are going to change everything and bring it back here in the laundry. And the laundry lady or the laundry man also will take in charge, putting it, make sure white is white, and the person, he or she, will be putting it one by one. After that, it's ready program. And if you want to learn this one more, how to fold all this one and the towel, keep on watching, learn step by steps in the laundry process. Here I have put some of the videos. So it's better before you travel to any development country, especially all the European countries. They have a lot of hotels, and they are hiring people. How to fix yourself? You have to learn how to become either housekeeper or laundry worker, or you know how to cook. Because swallow in Africa, we know how to do swallow. You can Google what is swallow and you understand what is the meaning of swallow. This swallow is good for us. So if you know how to swallow, here they don't know how to cook. So swallow is not for them. But travel everywhere, working, sleeping, hotels, you will get all this kind. So you can see here, this is only white clothes that I have put inside here. And this one, if I open it, you see it's only black that is here. Sometimes somebody, it's like the general people, they'll just put. So after washing from this one or this one or this one, then this true giant is for only to put the dryer, and the dryer also will take care from there. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you another steps so that you will see that part too. How is it look like? And if you are working in hotel, you must know where to put. Like this one, many people are missing it. If you come here and see the jerseys, the shirt, you have to fold everything and put it according to. Don't miss it. And all this one, you have to put it according to how it is step by step. This is a process of a person who is doing housekeeping. You see how it's look organized. So this one is the towel, and this one also, you see. So this is how it is. And I was telling you about, for this one, these people, they are housekeepers, and housekeepers, their job, they are not washing it. Their duty is, after here, they will just bring it all the dirty clothes from here. So this one, they are also ready, prepare this one for tomorrow. When they come, they just pick and went up. So they have already organized this one for tomorrow. So this is housekeeping. When you close, you have to organize for the next day. And he or she who's working as laundry also organize everything, and they have these ones as dirty clothes collect and put here, and new one too they have here. They will be putting the dirty clothes inside this one, and they have new one packing here, which they have giant through trolley when they are going. So guys, for today, this is laundry room. Every hotel have laundry, and they have another company who are washing machines company, which the smallest company, they will just come and pick it some of your clothes and went to the biggest company and wash it, each company, and bring it back. And you can Google it and search and you see it. So for today's video, my name is Mr. President on social media. If today is your first time, I will beg you, if you see my next video speaking Afrikaner, yes, I'm Afrikaner. So if you are interested to learn more about housekeeping, house working, or laundry, today here is laundry process. So sometimes don't listen what people are saying. Google it one by one and see laundry working. You will learn everything. From the internet. Thank you for watching.